rookie draft, making their selection the Terra Firma G. Into the 11th overall pick of the season 15 draft, ang pipili naman ngayon ay ang parang
Ginebra selects Sunny Still.
ang ban. The 20th Nebra is showing to everyone that jersey of Barangay Nebra. Now there's a lot of work to be done. Cracking the
Head start for their preparations for season 98. Abyss off the glass and then
Ito Anton, makikita mo nakasil si Martel, kaya walang magawa na kuha niya yung depensa. Abyss beat the stick.
give the ball back out to Barcuma. Pagaran! In and out. Abyss, easy.
Turn and shoot, sabi nga ni Papa Bear, pag mas maliit yung bantay mo, hindi mo na kailangan